VoodooDE.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to virtual reality. Finally! So here's my Oculus Quest, and as you perhaps know, I was invited to Boston by Oculus like every other VR YouTuber around, but I'm the last one that gets this Oculus Quest finally. So thanks to Oculus for sending me the Oculus Quest. However, I already told you that I bought my own Quest also. It will arrive tomorrow because I want the 128GB version. Oculus sent me the 64GB version, but I want the big one. So I also paid for that and will get it tomorrow. So I will have two Quests then, and this means I can also show you the local multiplayer games that will be ready in the future. At OC5 we had the chance to try Dead and Buried in a local co-op multiplayer mode. So when I have two Quests, I can show you that as soon as it released. However, let's check it out. So this is the Oculus Quest. It looks really good. Here it says 64GB version, and here you can find what's inside there. All-in-one VR, precision controllers, and easy setup in any room. Here are some games listed, and this is very cool. This looks pretty good. Let's check it out. I will put this here. Looks nice, yeah. So yeah, this is a black box. The black box, and here's an Oculus logo. You see that? Awesome. I already unboxed it on my German channel, so I know what's inside there. Just to be clear. And yeah, oh man, this looks, I love this. So there is a little box here, and there it says Oculus Quest, and also the Oculus logo. And let's check out what's inside. Here we go, and here is a power plug. Unfortunately, this is the US version, so I need an adapter to put it into a German plug. This is, yeah, okay. I can't do something against it. It's fine, I have an adapter, so yeah, this is the US version. I think most headsets that I have are the US version, but I don't care, it's fine. So this is for people wearing glasses, so this can do the distance. So if you, I will show you it later. So you just put it between the face cover and the headset, and then the distance is bigger between your eyes and this. I will show you later. So here's the cable. This is an USB cable, and here are the connectors. It's USB-C. This is with a winkle here, 90°, and this is a normal USB-C. Put it here, and here's a little box, and we have two batteries here, and also I think you will need more batteries in the future. This is a Oculus Quest safety and warranty manual. And this is a short reference guide where you can see, yeah, you shouldn't do it, put it into the sunlight, how to put it on your head, and there's an information about the Oculus app that you have to install, of course. Interesting. So put it on the side. Here we go. So here are the two controllers. Look at this. So it says left and right. Of course you have to put it in the right hands because we have the grip button, and of course the thumb sticks and the A, B and X, Y buttons, the menu button and the Oculus button. So as you can see, the tracking rings are above the controller and not below, like with the old Oculus touch controllers. So this is a difference, but everything else feels the same. We also have these hand straps here, and guys, I really recommend to wear them. So if you play Beat Saber or Sport Scramble and you push it like this, or However, then you throw your controllers into your TV or against other people. This is not a good idea. I did it once, and I promise you it's better to wear these things. So here's the first disadvantage of the Oculus Quest. I already told that in the review. I already made a review about the Quest because I had many hours with it. You can find it in the info cards now and also in the link under this video. So if you want to check out the review, go there after the video. And this is a little problem. So if you touch the controllers, the magnet is not strong enough. So it will happen that you lose this cover during play. This is not good. The magnet should be stronger. So this is one small, but it is a disadvantage of this headset. It has not many disadvantages, but this is one. So let's check out the headset. Here we go. Oh my God. So this is a sticker. It says that I'm not allowed to sell it, but I don't really want to sell it. If I want to sell the other Quest that I get tomorrow, I could do that, but I will not sell any of the Quests I have. Why should I do that? Because you know I have all headsets at home because I'm a hardware tester. So yeah, you see the 4 cameras here. Here's the power button. Here's an audio jack, and on the other side as well. Yeah, we have one Velcro strap, 2, and on this side as well, 3. So you can put it on your head, very good. And yeah, we have this cover here, and here the lenses, and here it says no sunlight on lenses. This is so important, guys. Do not bring this outside. It will burn your display, because if the sun rays go onto the lens, it will magnify the light and then burn your display. So do not use it outside, please, guys. You will destroy your Quest. Yeah, on the bottom you have volume up and volume down, and also the IPD slider. Look at this. Yeah. So if you have IPD like 60 like me, then you put it on the smallest value, and if you have 70 or something like that, on the biggest value. Really good. And there's the next disadvantage of the Quest as well. It sounds bad, but all in all this headset is so awesome. But I will also tell you the disadvantages. So here and here are some small slots where the sound comes from, and the quality of the sound is not good. It's not good. So I really recommend to use your own headphones with the audio jack. Yeah, these are 2 disadvantages that I know. The magnet and the sound of the headset. However, you can remove the face cover here. I will show it to you, and then I will show you, as promised, this is for the people wearing glasses. We put it inside here. Yeah, that was easy. And then this one. Does it work? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and now the distance is a little bit higher from the eyes to the lenses, and now you can wear bigger glasses under the Quest. This is very good that Oculus sends them to us as well. Yeah, guys, so this is the Quest. As already said, if you want to see the review, go under the video or in the info cards and then you see it. However, guys, if you want to buy the Oculus Quest, if you are interested in that, do me a favor, and if you like to support my channel, buy it via the Amazon link under this video. So you won't pay anything extra, but you will support my channel so that I continue to do reviews and gameplays on this channel. Yeah. So as you perhaps expect, there will be a lot of gameplay videos in the next days for the Oculus Quest. So subscribe and you don't miss anything. This is awesome. I'm so glad to finally have this at home. And tomorrow I get a 128GB version as well. Wow, this is cool. So yeah, what do you think, guys? I'm really interested. What do you think? Are you buying this? Do you already have it? What are your favorite games? Tomorrow, or at the release day on for the Quest, and May 21st, 2019, you will see a video where I recommend games for your personal belongings. So if you like racing games or shooters, I will recommend that for you. You will see this video tomorrow, so subscribe. If you want to support this channel even more, you can do this via Patreon. The link is under this video, from $1 per month. And then you will get behind the scenes videos and also high-res pictures of the Oculus Quest exclusively for the Patreons. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video, and I really hope the Quest and all the upcoming VR headsets will push VR even more. This technology is so awesome. So if you have the Quest, go around, tell everybody about it. Let them try Beat Saber, let them try cool games, so that they will also buy a VR headset. Yeah. Oh, I will also get the Oculus Rift S tomorrow. I ordered it via Oculus, so it will come tomorrow. It's like a 450 euro, and I will get it tomorrow as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Give me thumbs up, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE